Hello viewers, today I am excited to talk to you about one of the most versatile and powerful function in Microsoft Excel, the if function. The if function allows us to perform logical tests and return different values based on whether the test is true or false. This can be incredibly useful for decision making process within your spreadsheets. The syntax of the if function is simple. If logical test, which can be greater than or less than or equal, then a value if the logical test is true, then the value if the logical test is false. I'll, I have already put two examples in here, and I will show another one in the end of the video. So let's start the first example. I will use D8 to the input of the function, or I can use the box in here. So let's start the if function for Excel. Let's say we have a list of student score in here, and we want to determine if each student has passed or failed. We consider a score of 40 or above as a pass. So what would we do is, first we'll type equal, then type if, and type tab, so we get the bracket. As you can see, it says the logical test, which is similar to this function. The logical test, what we do is, in our column B containing the marks of the student, so we will write in here B2 is greater than 40. Now I need to break down of this function. If B2 is greater than 40 means if Alice got over 40, then the value is true and he is passed, and the value is false when he got under 40. The value will be false and it will show failed. Okay, now I need to complete the function. So B2 greater than 40, our logical test is done. Value if true is passed, then comma, value if false, it's easy, false, then it will show failed. Okay, now if you put enter, it will show passed because Alice already got 55. Our pass mark is 40, so B2 is greater than 40, that's why Alice passed. Now I need to get all the name in here from this column, and I need to copy the formula and paste on those selected cells, so I will get all the people information in one cell. So Control plus V. So as you can see, Bob is failed. Why? Because Bob got 23, and if we click the D10, which Bob got the function, is got 40 only. The pass mark is 40, Bob got 23, that's why he was failed. And Charlie passed, David failed because David got 21. Eva failed because Eva got 34 only, but our pass mark is 40. And Grace is passed because he got 52. Our pass mark is 40. So that was the first example. Let's go for the second example. I need to clear this, so I have to go to the home page and click clear all. Okay, here's our second example. We want to give a bonus to sales representative who achieve sales over let's say 1000 or more. So what we need to do is to put the same logical test. Since it's also in the B column, what we need to do is to put if. We'll write in here if tab B 14 is greater than or equal 1000. If the logical true is if the value is true, then we'll give the employee bonus. Employee will get bonus, and employee will get the bonus. If false, value is false, then employee will not get the bonus. Will not get any bonus. Then bracket, enter. The first employee name is Alice. He already have sales over $2000, so he will get the bonus. As you can see, employee will get the bonus. I need to get all the people name in the list, so I select A4 to N, then press enter. Now I need to go to the down and Control Shift up arrow and then Control D. So as you can see, some employee will get bonus and some employee will not get any bonus. Why? David will not get any bonus. Why? Because David made sales only 500, whereas our condition says if employee only make 1000, then employee will get a bonus. So as you can see, the condition in here is says greater than or equal to 1000, then employee will get the bonus. Employee will not get any bonus if below 1000. Okay, so this was a very simple example. Here is a third example which I will show. Let me first clear those things. Okay, example G will be shipping fee waiver. If the total order amount is 100 or more, the shipping fee is waived. Otherwise, a $5 shipping fee is applied. So I need to put some data in here. So number 1, say $120. Order number 2, is total purchase $800. Order number 3 is purchase $150. Now I need to put a condition like in here. If tab cell B2, I'm sorry, B14 greater than or is equal to 100, the shipping fee is waived. So we will write this shipping fee is 0. Shipping fee is 0. If not, the shipping fee is shipping fee is 5, so $5 and $0. Okay, I need to put others information as well. Control D. Okay, the first information shows us that shipping fee is $0, but the second order says shipping fee is $5. This is because we have a condition that if the total order amount is 100 or more, the shipping fee is waived. But order number 2 didn't cross the $100 amount, so shipping fee is applied for this order. And the condition and if statement we put in here, as you can see the function box. If B15 greater than or is equal to 100, shipping fee is 0. If not, shipping fee is $5. This is the very simple condition. This example demonstrate just a few of the countless ways you can use the if function. There is many applications to use if function. If function automate decision making and enhance your data analysis in Excel. Whether you are managing a score, calculating bonuses, rating performance, applying discounts, or determining fees, the if function can save you time and ensure accuracy. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find the if function as empowering and useful as I do in everyday Excel task. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching this video.